Hello, folks. So in this video, I wanted to just show you that the automation technique that I applied for Instahyre to apply to jobs. So here you can actually see I applied to 93 jobs, and then here I applied to some 128 jobs, and here I applied to some 176 jobs, and here I applied to some 83 jobs. Um, and then it said too many requests, so for now I think I can't do anything for, like, say, I think half an hour or something. Let me go and check it out. I think usually it will say some half an hour or something. So let me go to the top. Yeah, 429. So usually this will say retry. There should be something called retry after in the response headers here. Report to, and it's reporting to Cloudflare, and retry after 982, which is 982 seconds, I believe. 982 seconds in minutes is, I think, 30 minutes or 16 minutes. Okay, so we have some 16 minutes over here. I think before it was 1132, but now it's actually this, and I'm guessing this is the latest. So response headers, you can actually see retry after 913 seconds. So I think here also you would find the same thing. If you go to the top, so you should find the response headers to say retry after this time. So yeah, and so basically some 15 minutes or 16 minutes or some gap. So here you can actually see response headers. It says retry after, and here also it says retry after 149, 1049, and yep, 1049. Here's 1049. Here is 1040, I think. Yep. Well, I actually wrote about this on my website. In one of the things that I learned today, I learned. So there's a thing called report to header, and then there are also retry after errors and whatnot. Um, so yeah. So these are some of the links talking about what I learned, and I'll probably retry after some time, and you can actually see the same stuff here. So yep. So this is one thing that can happen in automation when you're using bots or automation to send requests to a backend or any system. It can actually have rate limiting. It can block you. It can throttle you and whatnot. So rate limiting, throttling is kind of similar. So it's kind of the same thing, I think. So yeah, they'll have a rate limit if you go beyond that rate limit, or if they'll have a limit beyond that, they'll actually probably have an exponential backoff algorithm of sorts to stop you from sending requests, too many requests, because it can cause a distributed denial of service attack or just denial of service attack. So yeah. So yeah, that's all I had for this video, talking about how I was automating, applying for jobs, and the problems in that. That's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.